Okay, it's a nice cold morning at Newhagen. We have this Ford Focus Estate. It's coming to have the graphene coating. We're graphene coating the bodywork, the wheels and the glass. So it already looks shiny, but we can get it looking a lot more shinier than what it is. The graphene is a lot more resilient to chemicals. And with this colour of car, I think it's going to look absolutely lovely once it's been coated. So let's do what we do best.
Right, so it's 2019 Ford Focus. James is preparing it to put a graphene coating on it, so I'm quite looking forward to seeing this come up. He's done most of the buffing, and obviously it was all washed. You saw that, maybe you didn't. It came in looking not too bad, and then he's had to clean it in detail. And then we clay it. We do like a clay thing. You rub it over the paint, and so it takes the imperfections out. He's buffing it there with a dual action machine, which doesn't go round in circles per se. It kind of does that. And what that does is makes it buffs the paint, makes it shiny, but it does it without putting those swirly circles on it. So it leaves a really good finish that looks nice in the sunlight, in case you're wondering. So one of the things we like to do is to get the car to look like it's had the coating done with all the preparation. And you know, that's what it's all about, really, the preparation. So if you're looking at the paintwork on this, it looks absolutely stunning. And yes, we haven't put the coating on yet. So when we put the coating on, it will really, really, really look brilliant. We absolutely love this graphene coating. It's just, it seems to work on any kind of paintwork, you know, whatever colour, whatever, you know, finish, whether it's pearlescent or it just seems to create such a buzz. I think it creates a slight hue, almost like it's a tiny bit tinted. But unless somebody tells you that, you don't know until you say, do you notice it? And then they go, oh yeah, I see what you mean, you know. So it's one of those, it's not something that someone's going to come back to the car and go, oh my God, you've tinted it. But at the same time, it's a really nice shine. Hard to explain. It's not a white shine. I suppose if you were thinking about these lights that you buy, which got white light, it's not that kind of light. It's like, it's more like a yellow shine almost. You can see a little chip on that wing. We're going to touch that in. So yeah, the car isn't brand new, even though it looks like it. And we're not even done. So we'll be showing you in the next video what it actually looks like. Woohoo! With the coating on.
Okay, so she's all done. She's had the graphene on the wheels, the bodywork and the glass. It had a two-stage buff. And as we can see, it is very shiny. Love doing the old bonnet test. So we can see down the street through the bonnet. Job well done.